two travel insurance giants, both promising to keep your journeys safe, Travelex or Travel Guard, which actually has your back. On one side we have Travelex, trusted by families and frequent flyers alike. On the other, Travel Guard, known for their global reach and customizable plans. Let's cut through the marketing fluff and find out what really matters. We'll compare them point by point so you'll know precisely who earns the top spot. The winner might just surprise you. Let's take a quick look at what we're actually comparing. So we're talking price and value. Yeah, nobody wants to overpay. Then coverage options, super important. After that, global acceptance, cause some policies don't work everywhere. Claims process, which honestly can make or break your experience. And finally, digital experience, because if you can do it all from your phone, why wouldn't you? Okay, starting off with price and value, Travelex puts a lot of effort into offering both single trip and annual options, and they love tossing in discounts, especially for families. And it's a pretty big but for US travelers. Their basic plans can get a little pricey. Now let's see what Travel Guard's bringing. Honestly, if you're budget conscious or just hate overpaying, Travel Guard might grab your attention. There are a ton of price points and you can totally customize coverage. The catch? Some of the cooler benefits like major trip upgrades actually bump up the cost, so keep an eye on those extras. In terms of bang for your buck, Travel Guard takes the prize here. Next up is coverage options. Travelex keeps things solid with strong medical emergency evacuation, even COVID protection as a standard. They'll even help with stuff like a lost passport or legal trouble. Downside: if you're an adrenaline junkie, adventure sport coverage is a bit underwhelming. Meanwhile, Travel Guard has this absolutely massive list of add-ons. Cancel for any reason, got it. Rental car coverage, sure. Their standard stuff also covers medical, your luggage dramas, trip cancellations, all the essentials. Though a small heads up, some of their default limits can be lower, so you might want to double check you're covered for what you need. In this category, Travel Guard edges ahead again. For global acceptance here, where Travelex kind of flexes, it's a global name really well recognized in Europe, the UK, Asia, Australia, the works, multilingual 24/7 emergency help. Yeah, they've got it down. The only thing is, inside the US they're not quite as well known. Flip it over to Travel Guard. This is the darling of US outbound travelers, especially for trips to the Americas and the Caribbean. But if you're not a US resident, well, you're out of luck because you can't even get their coverage. So Travelex definitely runs away with this one. Oh, and here's something cool before we jump any further. Did you know that travel insurance actually started way back in the 19th century? It was first made for train accidents. Wild to think about, right? Now let's talk claims process. With Travelex you can do most things online or on their app. Simple claims, usually quick. But if you have a tricky appeal, people do complain about it dragging on and on. Travel Guard, though, has a pretty great reputation for customer service. There's even a real person you can call, and their Better Business Bureau scores are solid. The flip side is, for some claims you're signing a stack of paperwork, which, let's be real, nobody loves. Given the choice, Travel Guard squeaks ahead because of that extra support. Finally, digital experience. This is where Travelex shows off. Their app is super easy for getting quotes, managing your policy, even keeping digital emergency info right there. But yeah, some US users have grumbled about weird glitches in the app, so not totally perfect. Travel Guard, on the other hand, has a really modern website where you can upload claims and all that good stuff, but there's no full-blown mobile app, it's just web-based. For pure tech convenience, Travelex is still ahead, even with a few bugs. So, if you line these two up on a radar chart, you'd actually see Travel Guard shining with price and coverage options, but Travelex totally dominating on global acceptance and digital stuff. Claims process? It's close, but those little details make a difference. So, you know what? Here's my take. If you live in the US and like having the option to tinker with every part of your coverage and keep costs down, Travel Guard is for you. But if you're traveling all over the world, want a policy that just works everywhere, and you appreciate good tech, Travelex is probably your best friend. If this made planning easier or hey, just saved you some time, make sure to follow so you're always ready for your next trip.